On the
Sinking a boat one-on-one.
yes, when you're on the Danabo River. All right.
In Malibu.
I fell off, and there's sharks infested water right here. We're in a river, I know. And I'm gonna attempt to get back in the boat. Are you prepared?
Oh no! It's not gonna work.
Oh no! Ah! What do we do now? Oh, we try to get it out of the shark infested water by standing on top.
Oh,
Oh,
going
it's sinking
down.
this away. Oh, it's taking on. The boat is completely submerged under the water.
Oh!
Oh no!
It's rolling.
It's rolling.
Ah.
Oh no! What do we do? The boat is not able to drive anymore. It's rolling! Oh! Oh no!
It's got water at the nose.
I know, I did too.
Run to the top.
Run to the top. Sinking again. Go to the bark of the boat. This is like the Titanic, what they thought the Titanic was before it actually sunk.
Yeah.
Unsinkable.
Without there was no iceberg.
Yeah. With just two men and shark infested water.
It was a man-made hole. Oh, flipping.
Get on top. Everyone. Oh no.
Oh.
Oh. Whoa. I'm going to... Oh, this is not good. This is not shaping up for a good fishing trip. All right, let's turn it over and roll inside of it. Remember that?
Or you can set the